In this video, I will show you how to upload custom fonts to Canva. So the first thing you need to do is go to the font.com, and then after that, choose a font here that you want, or you can search it here. So for example, I will choose this Mikalea font. Click on downloads here. And then after that, go to this and then click on show in folder. And then find the folder here. So here it is, right click and then click on extract all and then click on extract. And then after that, you will see your font extracted here. And then after that, go to Canva again and then click on text. So for example, add this and click on fonts and then click on upload a font. So to upload a font, you need to upgrade it to Canva Business first to upload a font here. So for example, that you upgraded your Canva, so you can choose this and then drag it here to upload the font. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.